Okay, now that I've got the camera set up, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these wires. Boom, just like that. The deed is done. So now there's no more worrying about it. Go ahead and take your wire strippers, strip those wires at the end so that you can manipulate them. Go ahead and give it a few twists at the end, make them nice and solid. Okay, so I absolutely love these connectors, these wire connectors. You know, they're pretty cool. You flip these up, you stick in each wire, and then you snap them back down. They hold great. They're easy to take back off, so I definitely love these. I bought 100 pack of them just because I love them so much. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to hook the power, which is the black, with this connector. And you just shove it in like so. Nice. Put the other side in. Nice. So now what we're going to do now, like I said, I've left the other wire not connected. Okay? And the reason for that, let me go ahead and take this off. The reason for that is when I put the battery on here, if this was connected, then that motor is just going to spin if it works. And there's no really way to stop it unless you just disconnect it. So what I just want to do is touch the wires, see if it spins, and that'll tell us if that motor works or not. And then if it does, we'll test the other one. Again, that gives us our answer. I could have snipped both sections of both couples of these wires, put them together and done it simultaneously, but this was just a little easier, so that's why I did it. So let's go ahead and let me grab my battery and let's give it some power. All right, so now we have power, and let's see if we touch these, something happens. So we have a battery and a motor that work. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to snip the other couple, and we're going to do the same thing, test that one, and see what happens. So again, don't be scared. Go ahead and snip that wire off. I like to keep these. Leave enough where if you need to strip it and connect it back, you can if you want. Let's go ahead and strip these guys. And we're going to do the same thing. Let's go ahead and disconnect our power wire, which is the black. And we're going to go to the green here. And we're connected. So once again, I've got power as soon as I put this battery in, which we can go ahead and do that. So we have power. So as soon as I touch these two guys, if it works, you'll hear something. You hear that? Nothing's spinning. So that suggests we've got a bad motor on this side. So that gives us something to work with. We've got a problem there, and so at least we can start checking that out. So this motor over here, problem. Let's see what happens.